lock it here. Yeah. Hold it. Slap it in, like slap it hard.
Dad, the umbrella's falling and we
Put
need
this
the
down.
hammer.
I mean, pull this out.
The
Let me
umbrella's
push this
falling
down.
and we need the hammer.
Okay.
We'll
Look
be
through
taking
there.
it away
See that
soon.
green dot?
Okay.
Point the green dot anywhere over there.
Dad, what should I shoot?
Go look for a target, the yellow thing there.
Yeah.
There's a yellow thing.
See a yellow thing right there? Yeah, okay. Make sure this green dot on that yellow thing. Through the hole, okay? You want a bigger hole? Let's make it a bigger hole.
Woo!
Whoa,
That's straight, a little higher. Don't put the gun down.
Lean towards the guns. Lean towards.
Lean forward, yes.
Higher. There you go.
Oh,
Good.
dang.
Don't put the gun down.
Lean towards the gun.
Forward. Cool.
Oh,
Oh, you hit it.
One more time.
One more.
Go, Alex.
Higher.
Right.
I hit
No
it.
more, I think.
Yep. Twice.
Woo!
Thank you.